And classes were suspended today in several areas of Metro Manila and Laguna due to bad weather. Those suspended were classes in the public and private elementary and high school levels in Laguna towns of Pakil and Pangil and public schools in Caloocan City. Christine Santos reports.
Before it comes to worse, Caloocan City officials have already announced class suspensions in all levels first thing in the morning amid Department of Health and PAGASA's warning of heavy rains and possible flooding. This is to avoid students from acquiring different diseases.
At ang rekomendasyon nila, i-suspend ang klase. So, nagbigay ng announcement yung aking city administrator na suspended ang klase ng 10 a.m. 10 a.m. May mga nakapasok na rin kasi. Ngayon, medyo gumanda ang panahon. Pero paano kung sumama ang panahon kung mag-a-announce tayo ng late?
Students, however, have different take on class suspensions. Some express gladness while others regret the time that should be spent for learning.
Masaya kayo walang pasok?
Hindi po.
Pinapauwi na kayo, di ba?
Opo.
Anong gagawin nyo ngayon? Bakit lang sa inyo wala nang pasok? Baka kasi umulan na malakas di ba?
Para konti lang ka-silent. Nalulungkot po.
Bakit?
Dahil yung pangamaga po, hindi po sila, nakaraan po, hindi po sinumpindi dahil malakas sa ulan. Kasi pangahapon po nga sinumpindi, wala naman po masyado ulan.
Okay lang po kasi para po sa estudyante. Para po makauwi ng maga, para po wala pong mangyari sa kanilang masama.
Due to the numerous flooding incidents within Caloocan, parents are now worried of their child's sake.
Pagka bumaha, tapos lumakas ang ulan, saka magsususpende, kawawa naman mga bata. Saka, pagka masama ang panahon, mahirap naman po yung saka kami sasalubong.
For People, Christine Santos.